Charlie Munger and Warren Buffett say that if you want to invest, you should start young. They say that compound interest is like a snowball, and if you start young, the snowball has more time to roll down the hill. They suggest learning accounting and getting business experience by talking with those in the industry in order to build up knowledge. Additionally, investing in smaller companies is encouraged. Last, Warren Buffett says that he made an average of 50% per year on his investments from 1950 to 1960. It is possible to make significant sums of money with a small amount of capital, but as the money increases into the millions, the expected results reduce dramatically. Depending on the person, business school can be worth it, but it is not necessary for everyone. Following one's passion is key to success, as it is usually accompanied by understanding the industry more and therefore knowing more when it comes to investing. To successfully invest, one should remain patient, focus on the long term, do their due diligence, and ensure the focus is on quality, not quantity. It is not important to get into a lot of detailed analysis, but rather to stay focused on finding companies that are well positioned for sustainable long-term growth. In addition, it is important to diversify investments, as this reduces the risk of losing money due to one company failing. Finally, be sure to remember what Warren Buffett says, as much of his advice is still as relevant today as dedication and determination, as evidenced by the variety of backgrounds and education levels of the people within a company. Mrs. B was an incredible successful businesswoman despite never having gone to school a day in her life. Her success stemmed from her passion for what she was doing and her commitment to it. Her story serves as an example of what a passionate individual can achieve. Mr. Buffett also shares a story of missed opportunities, noting that the biggest mistakes are often ones of omission rather than commission. He then compares this to a scenario of graduating college and being offered a car in exchange for 10% of future earnings. The point of the story is to show how important it is to take advantage of opportunities when they come up. It is important to consider carefully the people with whom one associates, as they can have a great influence on one's life. Having a spouse who is better than oneself can lead to better outcomes. Additionally, it is beneficial to seek out people who serve as examples to you, rather than those who need to be straightened out. Following simple rules, such as delighting customers and working through others, can help one achieve great success in life. Finally, Mr. Buffett stresses the importance of having a strong team that is working towards a unified goal. The more unified a team is in their purpose, the greater the potential for success. He recommends that teams should communicate openly and honestly with each other in order to build trust. Additionally, open communication allows each member to understand more completely the intentions and objectives of the group as a whole. So what do you think? These all sound easy enough, but is this a case of easier said than done? Let us know in the comments below what you think. Thanks for watching and keep learning.